tayo, tignan natin itong latest na nahuli natin na iba't ibang, mostly shabu, mostly ito, methamphetamine, itong nahuli natin. Ito yung nababalitaan natin na nakita na lumulutang na lang off of our western coastline, Region 1 hanggang Zambales. So, ito lahat ang, which is the largest drug haul in the history of the Philippines so far for this last 6-month period. Lahat-lahat ay, in the last 3 years, we have been able to interdict 62 billion pesos worth of methamphetamine na nahuli natin, which is the largest considering the time that we are putting it under the 3 years lamang. Ito ang bunga nung naging instruction ko sa ating mga otoridad na dapat ay unahin natin tignan kung saan pumapasok ang malalaking shipment ng droga. At medyo na-monitor na rin natin, nakikita na rin natin. So, what we will do now, titiyakin natin, ay ang proper disposal nitong mga drogang ito para hindi babalik sa black market, hindi babalik sa street market, basta't hindi na lalabas, sisirain na natin. So the press has a very important role in this. Puntahan ninyo dahil ang procedure dito, saan dadalhin ito? Kapas. This will be brought for destruction to Kapas in Tarlac. The new concept of the war against drugs is working, so we will continue down that vein, and I think we are beginning to see the good effects of that new policy.
Yes, itong activity na ito is of course it is in line doon sa order ng ating presidente na yung mga shabu, floating shabu, and other of course drugs na in our possession na pwede nang i-destroy ay gagawin natin kaagad-agad. So nandito tayo ngayon, doon sa ating likuran, nandito na yung mga i-destroy na illegal drugs tomorrow doon sa Kapas, Tarlac. So i-inspect natin ngayon dito sa atin para makita ng ating mga mahal na kababayan na ito yung mga illegal drugs ready for destruction tomorrow. Dalawang senaryo yan. Pag yan, yung droga, yung drugs yon ay subject doon sa court litigation o may kaso, ang proseso dyan, hihintayin namin yung court order para sa destruction. Yun ang number one. Kung doon sa iba naman, meron tayong mga regulated drugs na expired under the Dangerous Drugs Board regulation. Yan ay meron silang dalawang options. I-surrender sa PIDEA at yung PIDEA ang mag-initiate ng destruction, or they can go to yung ENB sa DNR, EMB accredited destruction facilities, then they can do that. But under the same regulation, they should submit a report of destruction sa PIDEA pa rin. Yon. Dito naman sa floating, yung mga walang kaso, under the regulation of the Dangerous Drugs Board, ang may authority yan is PIDEA. So in this case, mag-issue ako ng certificate of destruction at yun na, we can proceed with the destruction tomorrow. Ito na ngayon yung programa ng ating administration, ang current administration under our President. Yung anti-strategy noon, ang ginawa ngayon is enhance anti-drug strategy. So nandun na yung strong collaboration between and among law enforcement units. Nandiyan na yung PNP, nandiyan yung NBI, of course kung maritime, nandiyan yung Coast Guard, nandun din yung Philippine Navy. That's why we are doing this, because of the enhanced strategy, anti-drug strategy of our President.